I believe a man should study his wife and try to understand what makes her tick. The most effective way to begin this process is by simply asking questions. You should communicate with your wife and ask questions and ask her opinion about things. You should also ask about her dreams, her fears, her goals, her visions, her interests and her pleasures, her hurts and pains, and why she feels so strongly about certain issues. If you are equipped with this kind of knowledge, you'll be better prepared to minister to her, to encourage her, to support her when certain things happen in her life. I believe you should also know what your wife likes and dislikes when it comes to shoes, clothes, and jewelry. So when it's time to buy her a gift, you'll be more confident when you go shopping. When it comes to food, you should know what she likes to eat. This will help you select the right restaurant when you plan a surprise dinner date. This is another marriage success moment from Dr. David Stevens.